Alright, let's see what I can do out here today. I took the box, used flux core wire, that's what it looks like garbage, but I'm going to grind that off and see how bad it is. And then this is the toolbox that sits underneath the passenger seat. Starting to get to the point where I can't see anything. This is tacked on there. Golden. Toolbox is mostly in. I have 2 or 3 holes back over there I gotta still tack in. And then finish the seat bracket right there. Seat fits fine. I'm still waiting on the driver's seat. Last night my battery died right when I was trying to explain what I've completed for the day. So I've completed my screw up over here. Well, it's like 80% done. I've got some pinholes that I need to fill, plus a little tiny hole right in the bottom there. I've got to fill some holes over here. There's 2. 1. This guy right here doesn't belong there. And let's see, all of them are over here done. So I gotta fix this one, fix that. They're not quite ready, but high build, not high build, I'm sorry, but long hair or short hair fiberglass filler can go over some of this. I'm not going to do a ton of body work like I did on the F100, and I filled all the holes that were in here. So that's that. I really want to flip this thing over and prepare the bottom, but I'm really not going to do any of that until I get my driver's seat, because that thing is still not here. I ordered it like over a month ago. I need to put the bracket in, but I can't do that until I get the seat. This thing is a piece of crap. I do have to repair the floorboards at some point today and work on this somehow, stretch and shrink it in various places and hope everything's going to fit. When I do flip this over, I need to move these because they're in the way of the steering. They're actually supposed to be over further, but the manufacturer did not do a good job. So they will be in line with that right there. And this thing says I have a low battery again. Alright, let me go change that out and get back out here. It's not even 5 o'clock yet, and we're already sitting in the dark. Let me put this away. Alright, we gotta talk about this guy. Something internal to this drive is not working. So I can put it on 2 and 25, which is flux core for 16 gauge here, and it just stutters. It'll give wire and then it'll stop, and then this will heat up because it's still moving, but the wire's not moving, where it just stutters and it goes faster, slower, faster. Do I have a supply power problem? Maybe. Do I have problems in this drive? Yes, it's quite possible. I really don't have a whole lot of welding left to do. I'm going to crop part of this out. That's that toe board for passenger side. I'm going to crop that out. There's a hole over on the dash I need to fill. That side's been filled. All of this is done. All of it. With the exception of the brackets here. But floor's in, toolbox is in, floor's in, tunnel's in. So, welding. Seat brackets. That's the rear seat there that goes back here. I'm still waiting on those brackets. I do find this quite annoying that when I purchased items from an online parts supplier, I pay, and then you find on the invoice it says it's shipped, and then nothing, and it's been almost a month, and if I contact that company, I'll get the, oh, well, it's back ordered until mid-December. Well, it's mid-December, and I'm getting antsy. So that's this. This is probably 60 to 80 pounds more of metal in this bad boy now than when I purchased it a year ago. It's a lot of work, and it is not perfect. Trust me, this is not perfect, and that's fine. Nice little dent here from a little bit of warpage when I did the patch. I still need to do this. So, okay. Alright, let me finish putting up my tools and see what the kids are up to. Hilda's right there. That's it for this one because it's obviously dark and it's freezing out here. I've got these insulated bib overalls on, and my feet are frozen, my hands are cold, my nose is running, not the COVID. I actually don't know if I have it or not. The test was done yesterday, and I have to wait, like 2 days to get the results, so we'll see. Okay, I have, let's see, a couple other things I want to get done, but running out of time, and I'm waiting on parts. So, okay, answering a question that another subscriber had was, how come I don't have more viewers, more subscribers? And you know what? I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm not doing gimmicks. Maybe it's because I'm not being fake about things. I show you my screw-ups, and a lot of people don't do that. I am human. I make mistakes. I do dumb things. I'm not the best at what I do, but I do try. And as you can see right now, I'm doing this via backyard restoration. For one, I can prove it's going to get done, and two, it's just all the room I have right now, unless I go put the 63 outside, which I'm not going to do. So anyway, the channel originally started because my father wanted to watch progress, and my buddy Greg, who's out in Minnesota, he helped me with the truck when I got the cancer, and I moved from a house to a tiny little apartment above a like a coffee shop drive-in, and right next to a McDonald's, and it was loud. I had nowhere to park that truck, and I didn't really want to sell it, but I didn't know what my status was, if I was going to be okay or not, because that cancer was pretty brutal. Anyway, Greg took the truck. He had it for about 1.5 years or so. I ended up recovering, moved to New Jersey, and then the very first video that I have on YouTube is from January of 2014, I think, and that's me getting the truck off the transport that Greg had made sure it got on. I paid for it, obviously, but yeah, that's how this journey has begun. So, no gimmicks. I'm not doing dumb things that would bring in subscribers that I'm just not prepared to deal with. So, for you guys that are on the channel, thank you for watching, and I hope the content is good. I'm doing what I'm doing, and I'm not really going to change a whole lot because I don't have the time. you got to understand that I'm constantly from deployment to, you know, repairing the ship and then back on deployment. So I only have actually a couple more weeks before I got to go. And that's it. So you're seeing real life, you know, the ship, the house, the dogs, me, the truck, the cars out front, my commuter cars, and then the Jeep project. So that's life. I'm not some model running around in scantily clad clothing, you know, playing mechanic. This is just something I do, and this is who I am, and that's the subscribers that I attract here. Okay, so anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you do like it, like, subscribe, and share. That's all I ask. All right, you all take care. Have a good night, and Merry Christmas to those of you that are celebrating. Take care.